The state of Pennsylvania, one of the most influential and populous states in America, is also very important in various aspects such as history, economy, politics, and natural resources, in addition to tourist attractions. This state is located in the northeastern region of America and has played a key role in the history and development of the United States due to its rich history, cultural diversity, and strategic location. The capital of Pennsylvania is Harrisburg, while Philadelphia, as its largest and most populous city, is the economic and cultural center of the state. Pennsylvania